So we stayed at the Westgate Resort in Orlando for our vacation this year, and it was so fun.
Great. So we got a 2-bedroom suite, and it was sweet. Yeah, we fit everybody really easily. The living room has like a big pull-out couch. We never used it till the last day. The kids decided to build a giant fort with it. Forts everywhere we go. Forts.
It's a good rainy day activity though. So the kids had a bunk bed, and then we fit Theo's pack and play in their bathroom. It was big enough to fit it in there. Worked out perfect.
I would say the main attraction would be the water park. That's really why we chose the place, and it was really fun.
Yeah, because we weren't going to Orlando this year for Disney, but there are so many other things to do in Orlando that we love. So it's still an awesome destination spot for us to go to. Having a water park on site was perfect because in this stage of life right now, we've got nappers. So we've got 2 young ones that need afternoon naps. Yeah, so very easily one of us could take the 2 little ones up to the room and let them nap while the other one of us went out and still played at the water park with the big kids. So it's so nice to do it like that. You ready to go? All right. Where are we going?
We're going to vacation.
Woohoo! We recently planned a little family getaway for this week, and then Bud woke up today with a wild hair and decided we should leave a day early. Are y'all excited?
Yeah!
Okay, we just checked into our hotel. Riding through the resort. Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to
What's in your backpack?
Eggs, animals, and toys.
Great job. What are y'all doing in there?
I'm playing Bubble Man. I'm playing Bubble Baby Man. Hey, turn that back on. I just want to jump on the water with it.
That's awesome. Yeah. Ooh, let's go check out those paddle boats. What you doing, big boy?
Look at that giant roof. This place is giant.
Strawberries. What were your favorite parts about the water park?
The blue slide.
The blue slide?
Yes. It was like super fast.
Yeah.
I loved the blue slide a lot, and also the red one a lot. The skull slide.
The skull slide?
Mm-hmm. Because it was so fast and it was almost like straight down. It was like this. And the couch that turns into a huge bed.
Odiato la
So the resort had not only this big water park and of course a nice suite for us to stay in, but it's also got all the amenities right there on the campus as well. We were able to go enjoy the arcade. We were able to enjoy some ice cream cones and stuff. So we actually had a really good time, even just staying there on the resort campus. It was really pretty, really a lot of fun.
Oh my! Oh no! Good catch! Woo! Good job, baby! Yeah! Sissy helping you. Good job, Maggie. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Got to go! Oh no! Oh no! Run away, baby! And bye! Watch your fingers. Oh, yeah. You want some ice cream? For you. Oh, are you so excited? Oh my, that was a big spoonful. That's a big spoonful. Is it delicious? Oh boy, oh boy. I might get whacked. Good job. So close. There you go. All right, let's go get them.
So some nights we just ordered food in, and then some nights we did go out to Disney Springs, which is just super fun. If you've never been to downtown Disney, it's so fun. They just have awesome stores like the Lego store that the kids love to go see. They have huge things built out of Legos. The T-Rex restaurant and the Rainforest Cafe, which are huge attractions for our kids. We did go to those last year, but this year, even just going to look at them, our kids enjoy that.
So one night I actually did some research about the Universal CityWalk, and I kind of wanted to surprise Sarah with a little something. I know we didn't do the T-Rex thing or the Rainforest Cafe this time, but we found this big chocolate Emporium incredible restaurant where they've got lots and lots of sweets and incredible milkshakes and really good food. And just a really cool ambiance in general. Kind of like a steampunky, youthful vibe. It was a lot of fun. The kids really enjoyed it. We, of course, really enjoyed it. And yeah, it was really easy to get around and see the place. It was a fun night.
That restaurant had the best menu, hands down, of anywhere.
Yeah,
right?
The milkshakes are really creative, too. I took a picture of the menu. I meant to recreate some, but we haven't yet.
So, so good. If you get a chance to go to Universal City Walk, definitely eat at the Chocolate Emporium. So good. And then just the whole place is just really cool to walk around at. They've got stuff lit up and you can kind of see part of Universal itself. It's literally right over the fence. So it's just fun to walk around there. It's a fun nightlife vibe that's kid friendly.
That's right. You have a T-Rex on your shirt?
Yeah.
Let me see your shirt. T-Rex?
T-Rex.
So I know there's a lot of different resorts to choose from, some actually Disney, some actually Universal, and some just resorts are just close to the parks. And Westgate was really good to us. We really enjoyed it. We will definitely be back. Westgate was a lot of fun, really good people. So we're really excited to go back, see the place, and really experience it even more.
So thanks for joining us on our vacation today. See you next time.